Hey everybody, Bobby Dean here. Happy New Year. Can you believe it's 2023 already? I sure cannot. Time flies. All right, well, January is always like our air fryer month. So I want to show you an air fryer recipe today. Number one, I want to show you how easy it is to use an air fryer. My mom's air fryers are super fantastic. And I'm going to do a really simple steak. So I've got a boneless, I've got a boneless New York strip here, and all I'm going to do is give it a little olive oil coat on both sides. Give it a flip here. Olive oil really adds a lot, you know, it's just a little thing, but it adds just so much. A little olive oil. And a little bit of, I would usually use salt and pepper, but my mama's house seasoning is so good. So a little bit of Paula Deen's house seasoning. Ooh, that's a nice big strip of fat on that strip. A little house seasoning on both sides. All right, that looks great. Into my air fryer basket. Do away with this little guy. Into my air fryer basket, and come over here with me and I'll show you how simple this is. The recipe is a total of 12 minutes. Turn it on and touch beef. So 400 degrees is what I'm looking for. And we're gonna set the time for 6 minutes. And
it's this button.
The play button. Bang! We're off and cooking. So when the timer goes off, I'll flip that steak and do it for another 6 minutes on the other side. And it should be a really nice medium rare-ish to medium. So we'll see you in 6 minutes. Okay, so our New York strip is 6 minutes per side in the air fryer. And look at that, it's beautiful. Now the only thing that you don't get here with an air fryer is you don't get the grill marks. And, you know, I can live without them. But what you could do, if you wanted, I've got a couple of cast irons right here. You could get a really nice hot pan, and you could sear that thing once you pull it out of the air fryer and get some beautiful fond and some markings on it. But I think it's fine just like this. Okay, so 6 more minutes, and we should have a nice medium rare. 400, and for 6 minutes. There we go, 6 minutes, start, simple as pie, there it is. So in 6 more minutes, we'll have a beautiful, medium, rare, boneless New York strip. See you in just a few. So, 6 minutes per side, time's up. Look at that beautiful steak. Man, look at that, super nice. Okay, the thing I like about an air fryer, well, there are many things that I like about an air fryer, but these recipes are bulletproof. I mean, it said 6 minutes per side would be medium rare, which is exactly what I did. I took a digital thermometer to this steak and it's 145 degrees on the nose, which is medium rare. So let's take a look at it. Look at that beautiful, that fat cap on the end right there. Let's take a look at this steak. Like I said, no grill marks, but man, I can live without them. Now that's the end, so that's going to be a little bit more done as you get towards the center of the steak. And I hate to do it, but let's just go ahead and cut into it because I'm about to devour it anyway. Beautiful.
Oh, yeah.
Medium rare steak. Now, if you don't have an air fryer, or if you do, they make great gifts at any time of year. If you're interested in one of the Paula Deen air fryers, just go onto my mom's Amazon page, and right now they're $20 off.
So that's 1 week of air fryer week.
1 week. 1 week of air fryer week. Okay, so till next time. Bye, y'all.
Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.